Villains are not born, they are created, right? Absolutely. To a certain extent, I do agree to this, right? कि भाई दुनिया में इतनी बुलिंग, इतनी लाइक हार्श हार्श कंडीशंस जो बच्चों के लिए क्रिएट कर देते हैं, स्पेशली इंडिया में, जैसे बच्चों को थैर 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 करके तपेड़ मार मार के उनकी टीचर्स उनको पढ़ाते हैं, उनके माँ बाप उनको पैदा करते हैं, वो दे आर लाइक their frustration taking out uh, uh, whatever objects I will call them. They are not their kids and they definitely don't love them because तुम अगर किसी चीज को प्यार करते हो तो मेरे को एक बात बताओ चूतियो, तुम किसी चीज को इतना प्यार करते हो तो ऐसे थपेड़े कैसे मार मार के उसको रेस कर सकते हो? हाउ कैन यू फकिंग बी रूड टू देम? हाउ कैन यू फकिंग अब्यूज देम? इज दैट योर फॉर्म ऑफ लव, टफ लव? कि भाई बच्चा एक इनोसेंट सा पैदा हुआ है? एक इनोसेंट सा बच्चा पैदा हुआ है, उसको ऐसी कंडीशंस, एंड दिस इज अ स्टोरी across the world, right? This is the story across the world. All the kids are born naturally innocent. They don't fucking give a shit what they are, which religion they belong from, what their sex is, what their skin color is, how good their skin color is, and whatnot, right? They do not give a shit. But all you fucking cruel fucking morons, you all teach them all this bullshit. Oh, you are from this religion. Oh, you are from this caste. Oh, this is your skin color. Oh, this is your fucking gender. This is your fucking roles and responsibilities. These are the real labels that you have to be put in. These are the expectations that you have to fucking meet. You all fucking kill the joy, the innocence, the everything, the happiness out of those kids. You make sure to kill the inner child in these kids. And it's the same thing when they go outside of the house as well, right? Like घर से बाहर भी जाएं, same story. There are fucking teachers who are fucking bullies. Their own fucking lives are so frustrated. साली माँ बहन के भाई के बाप के लोड़ों की टीचरें, स्पेशली जो मेरी टीचर्स थी, भाई इनको तो ना वो होता था लाइक दे वर लाइक डिससैटिस्फाइड फकिंग बिचेस। ठीक है, इनको घर में कोई सेटिस्फैक्शन होती नहीं थी और इनको मिलती थी मैं कि आओ हर दूसरे दिन इसको पनिश करो, हर दूसरे दिन इसको थपेड़े मारो, ब्ला 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 एंड ऑल दैट। एंड I didn't just get bullied by the fucking teachers. I fucking got bullied by everyone I fucking met in my life. Every bloody person, be it my friends, be it my family, be it my colleagues, be it every, like, even if I go to a restaurant, even if I go shopping, even if I, walking on the streets, even if I am going clubbing, even if I am just ordering food, even if I am delivering something, whatever I do, whichever interaction that happened in my life has fucking been a bully to me, okay? And for what? For what? Just for existing? Just for being me? Just for, saying hi, or even just smiling, or just entering the room? That's it. Just my fucking existence has threatened all you fucking cruel monsters so much that you have to fucking bully me every step of the way, even if I haven't done anything to you. छोटे होते से लेके अब तक भाई, it's been fucking 41 years of torture on this planet for me, okay? 41 fucking years of torture on this planet, whether I was a fucking baby and I wasn't being fed क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी काम पे जाते थे, मम्मी पापा काम पे जाते थे, तो पीछे एक भरोसे पे छोड़ के जाते थे दादी और दूसरे रिलेटिव्स के पास कि भाई छोटे बच्चे का ध्यान रख लेंगे, ये लोग तो घर पे हैं, राइट? बट नो, आई वॉजंट फेड। अगर मेरे नर्सरी में छोड़ दो, वहां पे मेरी दलिदर हो रखी है। वेदर व्हेन आई ग्रो अप, तो अगर मैं अपना मन चाहा कहीं पे खेलना चाहूँ किसी के साथ भी, तो द होल फकिंग सोसाइटी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, द होल फकिंग सोसाइटी इज कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट मी कि ये तो लड़कों के साथ ही खेलती रहती है। क्यों भाई, क्या लड़कों को ही हक है बंटे खेलने का, गुल्ली डंडा खेलने का, क्रिकेट खेलने का, छुपन छुपाई खेलने का? मैं खेलूंगी, कर लो जो करना। सो दिस इज द आई वाज फकिंग born like immune to all this bullshit, right? Immune to the fucking rules of this fucked up society, fucked up Indian culture. I was fucking immune to that. I was born fearless. I was literally born fearless. I had zero fears. I had no fear of heights. I had no fear of ghosts. I had no fear walking alone, blah, 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 staying out alone. Nothing. Nothing at all. Then this fucking cruel world decided that, oh, why? How? How can she be happy? How can she even exist normally, right? No, no, no. We have to make her life difficult. So from childhood till now, my life has been made so difficult by everyone. I cannot fucking trust anyone. I don't trust anyone. I don't trust any of you motherfuckers. Humans, especially, none. I would rather trust an animal. And the only trust is me and me alone, right? Because I cannot go to a restaurant and just like go, hi, table for one, or whatever, without being judged, without being like, given attitude or rude. Or if I just go to a bar and just say hi, and before I even order anything, getting refused to even take my order. And same thing if I go order food, and then the person just sees me and they suddenly, like, their face changes, right? So all your motherfucking insecurities just comes out whenever you see my presence, right? Like वो मूवी देखी है ना तुमने, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, राइट? उसमें तुम साली जलकुकड़ियां, माँ की, टैण की, बाप की, भाई की, सारियों की, वट एवर यू जलकुकड़ी इनसिक्योर फकिंग बिचेस, तुम लोगों को लैला से प्रॉब्लम है? लैला से, लैला इज अ बिग बिच। अर्जुन अर्जुन के साथ कैसे चली गई लैला, राइट? हाउ द फक डिड दैट हैपन? I am the fucking real life Lella, okay? And I'll fucking tell you bitches how your insecurities makes me or people like me a villain and you all like victims. Oh my god. Oh my god, you are bloody victims. All my fucking life I've been surrounded by men who wants to just fucking want destroy me, want my body and fuck me, or women who just wants to backstab me just for existing. भैंचोद, उनको लौंडों से प्यार हो और उनके लौंडों को मुझसे प्यार हो बिना मेरे कुछ करे तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम है ना? उनके लौंडे उनमें इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है बट मुझ में है तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम है ना? बिकॉज उनकी तरह मैं तो नहीं करती थी जा जाके किसी के ऊपर गिर जाना, मैं इतने गंदे स्टैंडर्ड्स नहीं है मेरे, ठीक है? चाहे मैं प्रोमिस्क्यूअस रही हूँ, चाहे जो मर्जी कह लो तुम लोग, स्लट बुला लो, जो मर्जी बुला लो, तुम्हारे कहने से कुछ नहीं होगा। एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई वुड डू द फकिंग पिकिंग, ओके? आई हैड ऑप्शंस। जैसे ना लड़के बस की तरह होते हैं, एक नहीं हजार आएंगे। आई डिड द पिकिंग while you bitches threw yourselves on those men, right? So that is your value, that is your औकात, जैसे तुम कहते हो ना, वो तुम्हारी गंदी औकात है। और तुमने मुझे देखा कि भैया ये तो करती नहीं, ये तो she is not even interested in guys, she doesn't even give भाव to guys. Why are all the guys fucking always giving her भाव? Why, right? So जिंदगी मिले ना की दोबारा में भी यही होता है। She is at the beach enjoying by herself, right? उसने अपना लिया हुआ है, she is just spending time with herself, she doesn't care about anybody in this fucking world, she's in herself enjoying her own company because she's that confident of a person, she's that confident in herself, she enjoys her company that much, so that she doesn't even care who is around, right? Those motherfuckers, they go to him, right? They go to her, right? They make this flirty and blah 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 and cheesy like things, and they go in her personal space to disturb her. they that has always happened. आई डोंट केयर मैं कहाँ जाऊं, मैं चाहे नाच रही हूँ क्लब में, चाहे मैं पैदल चल रही हूँ ग्रोसरी, चाहे मैं कहीं पे भी, मैं एलिवेटर में खाना लेके कहीं पे भी हूँ, आई डोंट आई डोंट fucking get a breather. I don't fucking get a breather. There is always some motherfucker trying to get into my space, trying to talk to me only to fucking fuck me. Only to fucking fuck me. They don't care. मैं पहले I was so innocent. Oh, ये 9 days मेरे जो अभी ये रिसेंट के रहे हैं ना, इसने तो जो मेरे को सिखाया है ना, एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट वर्जन ऑफ मी इज डेड. दैट वर्जन met everyone and saw good in them. That version was like कि भैया सब अच्छे हैं, किसी का इल मोटिव नहीं है भाई. क्या चूतिया बंदी थी वो, है. No, every guys, they're not flirting with me, they're just being friendly. Why? Because I am just a friendly person, right? मेरे साथ फ्लर्ट करके जा रहे हैं, मेरे को बाद में पता चल रहा है कि भैया वो तो तुम्हारे साथ फ्लर्ट कर रहा था. Why I don't notice? Because I am not like that, right? तो मेरे साथ मेरी स्पेस में आना है उनको सिर्फ एक ही रीजन के लिए, मेरा दोस्त बनना है उनको एक ही रीजन के लिए, ठीक है. कभी कभी ना कभी दारू पिला के टुल करके बेहोशी में इसको कर देंगे, है ना, या फिर इसको जबरदस्ती इसके साथ चढ़ जाएंगे, है ना, क्योंकि लड़की है भाई, हमारी बॉडी तो हमारी थोड़ी ना होती है. इट इज नॉट आवर्स, इट इज अ पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी. वी आर नॉट born with our own private parts, nothing. No, these parts are for public consumption. These are parts that public can watch anytime, tear anytime, touch anytime, do anything. This is what the fucked up culture of this world is, especially Indian society. And this happens everywhere, in US as well. I've seen the the men, they just want to fucking buy women's body. That is the value they have set for women. Either you are a baby making machine, or you are a fucking maid, or you are going to be used for your body. If you are not doing any of these three things, you are a slut, you are useless, you are whatever ugly, evil names will be given to you, or better yet, you will be fucking invisible. Only to the world, like when it comes to you needing something. Otherwise, for men, you are still visible, huh? They want to still fuck you, their visibility is always on. So Lala was in her space, men came, disturbed her peace. She left. Okay, fine. Now she turns out to be their instructor, whatever. They become friends, right? She didn't say, "Hey, invite me for dinner." People had problems, right? She entered the room, his room. Oh. आई थिंक ये लोग बहरे हैं, मूवीज सुनते नहीं हैं, देखते नहीं हैं, इनको अपने दिमाग में ही चलता रहता है कि इन्होंने क्या सुनना है, प्रोजेक्शन. शी कंप्लीटली सेज कि भाई दूसरे बाथरूम में वो है, उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ भेजा, उसको और कोई लेना देना नहीं है, उसको सिर्फ लेना देना है रेस्ट रूम का. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट पेन, आई रियली डू, बिकॉज आई हैव टू पी ऑल द टाइम. आई ड्रिंक सो मच ऑफ वाटर, आई ड्रिंक गैलन प्लस ऑफ वाटर. मजा आ जाता है पानी पी पी के, ठीक है. फिर पी कर करके इतना मजा नहीं आता है, बट स्टिल I understand, right? She wanted to use the restroom, innocent girl. But she got blamed. Oh, she came into the room to use the restroom? How dare she? Fuck. How cruel, man. She should have controlled her bladder, है ना? Cruelty तो तुम्हारी दुनिया में है ही है. She should have controlled her bladder. How dare she enter? And it's not like she didn't take permission or whatever, right? She was sent there with permission to ja, right? किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर ये औरतों को कैसे, हाउ डेयर. एंड कई मर्द भी हैं, आई हैव सीन मेन आल्सो, हेटिंग ऑन लैला. वो जल कुकड़े वाले इनसिक्योर्ड मर्द होते हैं. एनीवेज, एंड देन नाउ लैला के देन शी सेइंग नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बुनियोल ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. ये पलटन साथ में चेप हुई है, ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स लल्ला है. तो चलो बुनियोल चले गए. वहां जाके, ठीक है, वहां जाके टोमाटीना फेस्टिवल हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया. जब वापस आए हैं, वो जलकुकड़ी मैडम आई हैं, ठीक है. तुम वो जलकुकड़ी, उसकी इनसिक्योरिटीज का कुछ नहीं, शी इज बीइंग अपलॉडेड. दैट हर इनसिक्योरिटीज आर गुड। हर उसका शक्की दिमाग जो है, वो घुसंड औरत का शक्की दिमाग, जिसकी वजह से वो उनके बैचलर्स पार्टी पे आ गई है धावा बोलने के लिए, वो अपनी इंडिपेंडेंट अभी फेमिनिज्म छोड़ के वो उस पर बोझ बनने को तैयार होने वाली है, तब इनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। नो नो नो, दोज काइंड ऑफ गर्ल्स आर ओके, बिकॉज इनसिक्योरिटी रॉक्स, secured women are always going to be shocked like by labeling them bad. But anyways, so वो आ गई। Now Lella did not say pick me. Lella was not a pick me girl like you all, ठीक है, नताशा जैसी। हाँ, she did not say pick me. That guy picked her up, right? That guy picked her up. She was just messing like a friend, right? उसने उसको पिक किया without her consent, without her permission. How dare you fucking do that? How dare you fucking do that? But no, 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 no. It is okay. In Lala's case, it's okay. Because हम जैसियां तो बनी ही है विदाउट कंसेंट टच करने के लिए, है ना, विदाउट कंसेंट चोदने के लिए, है ना। वी आर बिल्ट फॉर दैट, वी आर मेड फॉर पब्लिक कंसप्शन। कोई भी आए, उठाए और लेके चला जाए, कुछ भी कर ले, और बाकी लोग सिर्फ देखेंगे और हंसेंगे और तालियां मारेंगे, और लड़कियां लड़कियां हमसे ही जेलस होंगी। हमसे, हमने कहा कि भाई आ हमको उठा है। अच्छा चलो, अब उसके बाद सी द फकिंग जेनरोसिटी ऑफ दिस वुमन। अपना कमरा गिव अप कर दिया उन लोगों ने, पहले तो उस शक्की घटिया औरत नताशा के लिए और उसके घटिया बॉयफ्रेंड के लिए जो बिना कंसेंट के उसको पिक किया है। उसने अपना कमरा गिव अप कर दिया पहले तो, ठीक है। फिर उसने दोबारा कमरा गिव अप किया उसके दोस्त और उसकी दोस्त के लिए। The fucking generosity after generosity after generosity of this woman, yet she is labeled villain. भाई भला, यही तो वो होता ना, भला करो ना इस दुनिया के लिए तो तुम ही विलन बनाए जाओगे, तुम ही चूतिए हो, तुम दुनिया का भला करने निकलते हो। ऐसे ही मुझे भी था, सेवियर सिंड्रोम है, एम्पैथी से भरी, दुनिया को बचाएंगे, ओहो हो। The only thing I wanted in life was fucking travel the world in peace, chill, लोगों से मिलो, खाओ पियो, ऐश करो, that's it। ना मुझे पैसों का लालच, ना मुझे किसी और से compete करने का लालच। I just wanted a fucking human experience, and that's what I did ever since I was born. I was born fucking gifted, man. मैं जिस चीज में हाथ डाल लूं अवार्ड, जिस चीज में हाथ डाल लूं मेडल, जिस चीज में कर लूं, because I was not participating in these things to like compete with anyone. I was not participating in these things to be superior than anyone. No, I just wanted experience. I wanted to be just part of that experience. तो चाहे वो आर्ट्स में हो, चाहे वो डांस में हो, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स में हो, चाहे वो किसी भी चीज में हो, like I was just having experience and time of my life, while at the same time I was fucking being bullied by my own people, bullied by outsiders, bullied and then fucking harassed and or given all these physical and mental trauma all my life. My friends, लड़कियां बहुत अपना अपने आप को ओ गोली गोल्स मानती हैं, ये करती हैं, इनसे ज्यादा घटिया कौम मैंने कहीं नहीं देखी है। एक ना मर्द जात ना तुम्हारा फिर भी तुम्हारा शरीर खत्म करेगा, ये जो औरत जात है ना, ये ऐसी हराम जमी जात है ना कि ये तुम्हारे अंदर का ये सब खत्म कर देती है। एंड इट प्लॉट्स एंड प्लान्स विद मेन टू डिस्ट्रॉय यू, प्लॉट्स एंड प्लान्स विद मेन टू फकिंग डिस्ट्रॉय योर ओन फकिंग फ्रेंड्स। ये लोग फ्रेंड्स कहती हैं, वहां दूसरे स्टॉकर्स हमारे पीछे लगवा देती हैं कि भाई जीना हराम करो इसका, हाउ डेयर शी इज, नो, उसको जबरदस्ती ऐसे लोगों के साथ फंसाओ जो इसका गैंग रेप प्लान कर रहे हैं। दीज आर माई फीमेल फ्रेंड्स talking to a guy because she likes him and that guy doesn't like her and that guy likes me, but मैं उसको नहीं पसंद करती हूँ। I'm just friends, I'm always friends with everyone, right? I'm always nice with everyone. वो अगर मुझे एक बारी भी बोली होती ना कि मेरे को ये पसंद है, मैं हुकअप मैं कराती भाई, मैं तेरा हुकअप कर पाती। नो नो नो, बट आई वाज द प्रॉब्लम। मेरे फोन पे मैंने स्पीकर पे मैंने बातें सुनी है मेरे बारे में, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड बोल रही है उसको गंदी गंदी बातें, बनावटी बातें। Why? Because she wants that guy. तो ये जो औरत जात है ना, ये कोई दूध की धुली जात तो है नहीं, ठीक है। मेरा मुंह ना खुलवा भाई, मैं ऐसे 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 किस्से सुना दूंगी ना, तुम लोगों की ना रूह कांप जाएगी। तो मेरे कहने का और के ये तात्पर्य ये है कि all my life I have been bullied by everyone, friends, family, outsiders, everyone. I have been harassed sexually, I have been raped, I have been given all sorts of trauma. So just like Leila, I have always minded my own business. People have come into my space, ठीक है। और अगर मैं सिर्फ एंटर भी कर जाऊं तो ये जल कुकड़ियों के अंदर का पता नहीं क्या तड़फड़ा फड़फड़ा जाता है कि इनको अपनी रूड नेस्टी जो अंदर की गंदगी है ना, वो मेरे ऊपर निकालनी होती है, just to fucking ruin my day. But you know what? I've worked hard through that. I've worked hard through that. पहले मुझे केयर होता था, अब तो मैं घंटा केयर नहीं करती। हर जगह I'm already fucking short, right? I don't need fucking lot of space in this world anyways. But for my existence, I would fucking apologize everywhere. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. Why? Because other people are cruel. Other people are bullies. Other people are not nice and kind. Their humanity is dead. It's all a fucking facade everywhere. India, US, Europe, everywhere you go, everyone is a fucking fake ass motherfucker pretending to be good and kind while being cruel deep down inside. Right? And ये लोग हर किसी के साथ क्रूअल नहीं होंगे. No, 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 no. They'll find only few people that they can bully. You know, people like me or you, the one who used to be me, जो इनके साथ फिर भी एम्पथाइज करती थी, इनके साथ फिर भी अंडरस्टैंड करती थी, जो इनके अंदर हमेशा अच्छी देखती थी कि यू नो देयर इज सम गुड इन समवन। बट मेरी जिंदगी में ना अभी थोड़े दिन पहले जो मैंने 9 दिन बाहर बिताए हैं, आई हैड टू लीव माय होम। आई वाज डन being in a toxic environment which did not value me. I was done. I've already kicked out everyone from my life जिसने मेरी कदर नहीं करी है, जिसने मेरी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करी है। You know, people say respect is earned. Fuck that. Fuck that. Everyone deserves basic respect. Everyone fucking deserves that basic respect. And उसके बाद उनकी सोच और उनके एक्शन से either that respect should increase or decrease. But you all fucking morons, you all fucking motherfuckers want to give fake respect to these motherfucking actors. है भगवान बन जाते हैं मादर चोद, उनके घर के बाहर तुम लोग खड़े होने को वेट करने को तैयार हो, जैसे पता नहीं कौन से भगवान प्रकट होने वाले हैं, तुमको अभी आशीर्वाद देंगे, तुमको अमीर बना देंगे, तुमको है पूरी आजादी दे देंगे, सब कुछ तुम्हारा कल्याण कर देंगे, तुमको हेवन पहुंचा देंगे। हैं ये कौन से तुम्हारे ये भगवान है, तुम्हारे बाप के चोदो, जो तुम इनके घरों के सामने जाके इनको भगवान मानते हो। You have given them fucked up actors who don't give a fucking shit about you. You have given them respect. Why? Because fame. हाँ? फिर ये चूतिए पॉलिटिकल चूतिए के बच्चे, ये लोग तुम्हारा खून चूस रहे हैं. These are supposed to be your public fucking servants, yet you are making them God. They are the fucking Ravan moron types people are fucking your God. तुम्हारे भगवान इतने गंदे सस्ते हैं, इतने चूतिए हैं तुम्हारे भगवान। ओह, आई डिडंट नो दैट। यू कंपेयरिंग व्हाट, वो चोदू मोदू व्हाटएवर हिज नेम इज, है, यू आर कंपेयरिंग हिम टू राम, है, कंपेयरिंग हिम टू व्हाट नॉट। वाओ, राम इतना सस्ता था क्या, इतना घटिया था राम? अरे मे बी, हाउ डू वी नो? तुम लोगों को पता है, तुम लोग ही बड़ा घटिया सनातनी करने में लगे रहते हो साले। सनातनी के सर्क भी फॉलो नहीं करते हो तुम लोग, तुम जैसे रंडिया बोलते हो लड़कियों को, और तुम सनातनी हो। क्यों? तुम्हारे शास्त्रों में लिखा है औरतों को रंडिया बोलने है? ये जो औरतें अपने आप को बैठ के एक वो रोबदार अपने आप को वो करती हैं, it gives them the right to call any woman Randi. What? Anyways, so that those 9 days in US, it taught me a lot. मैंने उसके बारे में भी पोस्ट किया हुआ है. But it taught me गांड मरवाए दुनिया, भाड़ में जाए दुनिया. I am not gonna give a shit about this fucked up cruel world. तो वो जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में कहा था ना, villains are not born, they are made. You know what? Fuck that. They become villain because of their own weakness, because they cannot fucking work on themselves to come out of those situations, right? Why should I be a villain? Why should I fucking? So I've already given 41 years of my life on this planet तुम लोगों की cruelty लेते हुए, तुम लोगों की bullying लेते हुए, and now I should waste rest of my life or whatever rest of my time in hating you guys, in being a villain and planning and plotting and all that stuff. Are you fucking kidding me? चूतिया लिखा है यहाँ पे, मेरे तो नहीं है. ठीक है, पागल हूं, बेवकूफ तो नहीं हूं बिल्कुल भी कि यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन माय सुकून, चैन, टाइम. यू हैव ऑलरेडी बुलीड मी फॉर सो लॉन्ग कि मैं अब तुमको अपना और टाइम दूं जस्ट टू फोकस ऑन यू लूजर्स. सो नो, I am not going to be a villain. I am going to focus my time and energy on the one and only person who matters the most in this fucking world. Me and me alone. Okay? I am going to trust myself like I have been trusting so far. I'm going to enjoy my life, whatever I have earned. Okay? And yes, we earn things. People say ki there is no such thing as karma and it is like a deserving thing, or no, you don't deserve anything. No, no, no. You earn, right? So energies, right? Energy is like a currency. ये तुमको like वो पैसे की करेंसी ज्यादा वो लगती होगी important, but the actual importance currency, like whatever, is energy, right? What you put out, what kind of energy you put out, that is what you will get back. As simple as that. And how your genuineness is, your energies, वो सब universe senses, right? So based on that, whatever output you give, you will get that back. And वो जो 9 days थे ना, उन 9 दिन में इतना तड़पी हूँ ना, इतना तड़पी हूँ ना, इतना ओए ओए ओए, रात को 3 घंटा, मतलब लिटरली हाइक कर रही हूँ मैं सामान के साथ, एक भी बंदा नहीं रुका. एंड उन 9 days में ऐसा खेल हुआ है ना मेरे साथ, लाइक द थिंग्स दैट हैव ट्रांसपायर्ड आफ्टर ट्रांसपायर्ड, and it needed to happen that way. I am glad it happened that way. I know I cried my fucking eyes out, and I didn't care. I cried sitting on a street, like next to a street, and I just cried with my luggage. I did not give a shit because that removed all whatever leftover shame that was in me. Okay? The way they treated me for even those few hours, right? Few moments, right? Thinking that I am homeless, thinking that I am invisible now that I am homeless, because homeless people don't have value here. They do not. A homeless person in India might have more value than fucking US. A homeless person is like a piece of fucking trash in US. A piece of fucking trash that will continue to live. Actually, you know what? Not even that. A piece of trash might get picked up because it's US, right? Except like certain areas, everywhere else is clean, right? So in US, even a piece of trash will get more attention, but the homeless population, no, 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 no. They will not. No, especially at night time, especially a woman, because अगर एक औरत चल रही है तो if she is trying to ask for direction, world is not listening. No, 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 no. Nobody is listening. They think you are trying to get seduce them, seduce, because These motherfuckers are the only motherfuckers in this world that I need to fucking seduce, right? But that's their mentality. That's their projection. That's their thought process, right? So this whole life, it's been like that. Everybody's fucked up mindsets, everybody's fucking mentality has been put on me for no reason. For no reason. But my fault, मेरी ये गलती थी. I kept on taking it. I kept on taking it. I kept on showing kindness. I kept on being that fucking savior. नहीं नहीं हो जाएगा. थोड़ी मेहनत. Everybody will be fine. Still caring. Still giving shit. So that version of me needed to go. She needed to go. She did good. She did whatever. So she earned me whatever I have right now. Comfort I have, it is because of her kindness. ठीक है. I'm sacrificing a lot of other things, but you know what, I'm still fucking privileged, man. Those 9 days, oh, there are people who have not eaten the kind of food that I have gotten to eat in years or ever. I I had that realization, like I'm that privileged just based on food. Just based on food. I just based on AC. AC, oh my god, fan. Not even AC, fan. Do you know कितना heat है outside? कितना कितना लू पड़ी पड़ी है भाई. मेरी पूरी स्किन जल गई पीछे से. ऑफ कोर्स सनबर्न होगा. एंड डोंट गिव मी अ शिट अबाउट सनस्क्रीन. तुम लोग को शौक है बीमारियां पालने का, तुम पालो. आई डोंट डू सनस्क्रीन शिट. I get natural tan. I don't give a shit about color. ठीक है. I am multicolored. I am multicolored. I'm multi-layered. I'm multi, you know, faceted, multi-talented. एक बारी किसी इंसान ने बोला था, द वर्ल्ड इज जो जो वही धकियानूसी किताबों में पढ़े धकियानूसी बातें बोल दी. द वर्ल्ड इज आइदर no, the world is not black and white. The world is gray. Fuck that. World is multicolored. World is multifaceted. World has multi-talent. Universe, multi-universe, right? Like multi-timelines, whatever, right? Multiple realities going on. So everything is multi, not just black, white, or just gray. These are not the only fucking three colors in this world. But anyways, that's not the point. So the point is, I'm not gonna choose to be a villain, because that would be like very highly idiotic on my part to, continue to give you losers my time. Like hate. People say, "Oh, your account is a hate account." पागल हो क्या? दिमाग खराब है तुम्हारा, मेरा नहीं. ठीक है कि मैं तुमको अपने अंदर नेगेटिव एनर्जीज पैदा करूं टू हेट यू फकिंग मोरॉन्स. कितना attention seekers हो तुम, that you still think that I will give you that kind of attention by giving by putting myself through trouble to hate you, just to take revenge. I don't fucking take revenge. Universe does it on my behalf. Right? Like I said, what energy you put out, you get back. Those people who have given me bad energies, who have done bad to me and everything, रो रहे हैं आज तक. रो रहे हैं, मुझे इतना पता है. मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव गॉटन इन टच. मोस्ट ऑफ देम आई नो कैसे. मेरा पहला बॉयफ्रेंड 16-15 साल में जो बना था, 3 साल पहले मैंने नंबर चेंज किया, 2 साल पहले. हाँ, नंबर चेंज होने से पहले तक कॉल करता था, मैसेज करता था. Because that's the kind of person I am, right? And that's why the world is fucking jealous. The everyone who I fucking meet, just by my presence they get insecure. उनके सारे अंदर की insecurities मेरे को ही देख के बाहर निकल आती हैं, right? Even though like I am not doing anything, I'm not competing with them, I'm just chilling, So just my chill presence threatens you so much. Now imagine this version, what will it do to you? आई नो कैमरे के थ्रू नहीं आता. जो इन पर्सन मिले हुए हैं ना, जो जिन्होंने मुझे देखा हुआ है, उनसे पूछना कि उन पे क्या असर होता है मेरा. I understand my value now. I understand my value. And that's why I'm not gonna be your fucking villain. Okay, so that plan is out. I'm not even gonna kill myself. I have tried that before. And I used to think, why are you fucking weak? Why are you so weak that you can't even kill yourself? Why can't you jump like cut, whatever, right? I used to fucking think that I was weak. But no, that is the weak part to end your life. It takes fucking courage to survive, not just survive, to live happily in this cruel world. Despite this world being cruel to you, you are still moving forward, you are still living your life happily, peacefully, with joy, right? And you love yourself, you love your own company, right? So, that plan, I'm not going to do that, right? I know circumstances were created to push me to that level, right? No, I'm not gonna do it. I love my life. I'm not gonna fucking waste it because of you fucking morons. I will do everything possible to make sure the inner child I have worked hard on bringing back, she stays intact. Okay? I will make sure she thrives. I will make sure I love her. I give her the love she deserves. And I'm not gonna waste my life on killing myself because you guys couldn't manage to be humane. So that's also out, right? Crazy? Well, I am crazy. I don't give a shit what you say. I don't care. I already am. Crazy is being. So being crazy is better than being a chutia moron. It is much better. You know, I know the difference between my delusional world and reality. And these 9 days have given that proof, like that I am good at differentiating between what delusions are and what reality is, right? So my craziness is for me, and what I choose to do with it is also up to me, right? But I'm not a moron, at least. I'm not a chutia moron who is a puppet and a slave to anybody and everybody. You care more about what others think than living your life. Because that you are that the kind of the chutias, the morons that you are. All of y'all. You fucking fake it. Oh, we are rebel. We are this. Man, चोर अंदर तुम्हारे इतना गंद भरा पड़ा है. Do you even know what being a rebel means? आओ कभी हवेली में बताएं तुमको रिबेल क्या होता है. हैं? आजकल के नियाणे बनेंगे रिबेल. भैया एक लड़की 80s 90s की जो है ग्रोन अप इंडिया में कैसे कैसे हमारे किस्से सुनाएंगे ना, तड़फड़ा जाओगे तुम, तड़फड़ा जाओगे. तो ये अपने आप को जो तुम लेबल्स देते फिरते हो, हम ये हैं, हम वो हैं, हम फलाना है, घंटा कुछ नहीं हो तुम. कुछ नहीं उखाड़े हैं तुमने. सिर्फ बकियाए हैं. वो होते हैं ना, कहते हैं ना, भौंकने वाले कुत्ते काटते नहीं हैं. तुम भौंकने वाले ही हो, कुत्ते तो हो नहीं. सॉरी, डॉग्स आर वेरी नाइस क्रीचर्स, बट तुम भौंकते ही हो बस. दैट इज इट. यू आर द ओनली द बार्किंग द डॉग्स. सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि दुनिया तो चूतिया रहेगी रहेगी. मेरे आने से पहले भी बहुतों ने कोशिश करी दुनिया बदलने की, बट जो दुनिया है वो चूतिया है, चूतिया रहेगी. और चूतियों का कोई इलाज नहीं हो सकता. चूतियों को तुम एक बार ही बोल सकते हो कि भैया देख लो, ठीक भाग ले लो, चल रहा है तो चल रहा है. मतलब नहीं नहीं समझना, कोई बात नहीं, करते रहो, हमारा क्या है. ऐसे ही जब मेरे वो 9 दिन मैं जिन जिन लोगों से मिली हूं ना, आई सॉ वर्जन्स ऑफ माई फ्यूचर इन देम, राइट. सो एक वर्जन था जिसमें मुझे अपना कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता, अपनी आत्मा को अपने, कि भाई क्रूअल्टी के हिसाब से, राइट. लाइक आई सेड, द एनर्जीज यू पुट आउट कम बैक. So this guy, of course, away from family, doesn't have legs, right? Like he's on a wheelchair, blah blah blah. Initial conversation, all okay, blah blah blah. Then comes out the truth. Then he goes fishing. Fishing, of course. Fishing to, and his justification, I need food to survive. I need to survive. So I need food. That's how I get my food. Fish, doesn't matter if I am cruel to that fish. Doesn't matter वो तड़प रही है, फड़फड़ा रही है, उसके अंदर चाहे वो कर दिया. No, no, no. मेरा पेट भरना ज्यादा जरूरी है. That is more important. My survival, my me being fed is more important. So that was one version of future I saw, a glimpse I saw. I was like, no, I will never do that. I tried explaining it to him. It's all about energies. You're putting out cruelty. Of course, you will not be met with kindness. You are also going to lead a cruel life in a different way. That is all. That's all as simple as that. But of course, these animal eaters, these dead body consumers, they don't care. Their inner animal, like, you are what you eat, right? So their inner animal wakes up whenever you talk about. So they talk about the canine teeth. They talk about, how humans are. So humans were meant to be chutias, anyways, and that's why you are like chutias. You keep defending this as well, but you carry on. Like, in my life, I've always been surrounded by non-vegetarians. All of them have, devoured chicken, lamb, whatnot in front of me. I have not said a single word. I've just asked few people questions like, why do you eat this, blah blah blah, whatever, right? But I've never stopped anyone from eating anything, because I have been same way. Like, all my life I've been a vegetarian. I've eaten eggs here and there. I used to eat a lot of desserts. I love food. I love food. I live for food. I don't care. Food is like number one priority. I don't care. Food, air, weed, water, music, dance, and like these are like my top things for survival. That's it. That is all I need. Money would never even makes my top 6 7. Money never makes it. ये क्वेश्चन मुझे पहले भी किसी ने पूछा हुआ था. Money never made it on my top list. Sex yeah, 7 7 8 so money never made it on my list. And I know people keep saying we need money for survival. No, you don't need money for survival. You think you need, because you are trained to think that way, so that you remain a slave to this system. Same way you are trained to think that you are supposed to eat animals, right? You have canine, you are these animals, you're supposed to eat. It's evolution, whatever, blah blah blah, cycle, whatever you want to name it, whatever. Killing name, the name of Allah, killing name of Jesus, killing name of, other bali, right? Whatever you do in सनातन धर्म. खुद की बलियां तो देनी आती नहीं है, तो तुम दूसरों की बलियां देते हो बेचारे इनोसेंस की. But it's okay. Like, that is your thing. That's what I've realized. I cannot be a fucking savior. No. Everyone has earned whatever they are getting. So I have earned this little world where I get food, I can cook whatever I want, I can eat whatever I want, I get water, I get AC, I get heat when I want, I get a bed to sleep, I have a shelter, I can spend time in the nature, in the peace and quiet, जिससे तुम लोगों को एलर्जी है. हाय इतनी शांति कैसे हो सकती है. I enjoy all that. I enjoy the natural music of the birds. I do everything. It's okay. I have to sacrifice, not traveling the world, not a problem. Those 9 days have taught me having just this is beyond privilege, right? And I am happy for this, right? So we earn whatever we put out. So you put out cruelty towards animals, you will get back. And that's what I realized, that I have also put out cruelty. मैं जिस अपार्टमेंट में रहती थी, इट वाज इन्फेस्टेड विद कॉकरोचेस. हर थोड़े महीने वहां पे पेस्ट कंट्रोल करना पड़ता था. कॉकरोचेस इधर उधर होते थे, इतने सारे होते थे, सब कुछ होता था, राइट? एंड लाइक ऑल ह्यूमंस, ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज आल्सो डिस्गस्टेड बाय देम. Of course, trained think that, right? And like all humans, I participated in pest control. I participated in getting those traps which slowly kills them, which slowly tortures them and then takes their life, right? I participated in that. I just recently turned vegan, so I participated in animal cruelty in the dairy products. I did. I admit all that. I acknowledge all that. I have realized all that. I needed to feel that cruelty. When I begged, when I cried, when I pleaded, when I asked for mercy, those 9 days, none came. None came. I mean, it was a different journey, but mercy didn't come, help didn't come. No one came. I was the only one getting tortured in that cruelty, in whatever I was feeling, in whatever environment I was in, because I earned that. I earned that because I put it out. When I devoured all those halwas made of ghee, when I devoured milkshakes, when I devoured cakes made out of egg or milk products or whatever, when I devoured Punjabi curry, right? And I have no regrets. Honestly, I still don't have any regrets. I enjoyed those foods when till I could, right? I enjoyed them, I appreciate them, I respect them, but now I will not. I'm not gonna put out any more cruelty. भैया हमरा हो गया है, हमरा खत्म. I am done putting cruelty out, bhai. You don't know how it feels to receive it when you fucking receive it. And you all, what you do? You blame it on others. You blame it on other things. You blame it on devil. You blame it on other people. As usual, like everyone does, right? You blame it on Bhagwan हमारा क्यों नहीं भला कर रहे. As usual. We never look within, we never acknowledge our own problems. यही तो problem है. Or we turn so bitter, so evil, so cruel that we take it out on others. Beat them, scream at them, bully them, torture them, label them, gang up on, like being cruel. Online bullying, though, it's a common thing. Ganging up on bullying is a common thing. I mean, बेचारा अर्जुन कपूर क्या है? ही इज जस्ट एग्जिस्टिंग, राइट? चल ठीक है भैया, नहीं अगर आ रही उसको एक्टिंग, तो इसका मतलब ही डिजर्व्स ऑल दैट फकिंग बुलिंग? नो, दैट इज ऑल योर फ्रस्ट्रेशंस coming out and torturing somebody because you all like being cruel. You all enjoy it. You all like enjoy giving cruel energies out, negative energies out. So you think you will be spared? Of course you are cockroaches. Of course you are treated like cockroaches. Of course you will die like cockroaches. Of course nobody will care about you whether you are doing fucking protest, whether you are doing hunger strike, water strike, sleep strike. Nobody gives a fucking shit because that is your औकात cockroach वाली. जैसे इंसान कॉकरोच की कदर नहीं करते, वैसे ही दुनिया कॉकरोचेस की, तुम जैसों की कदर नहीं करता. पर करो, प्रोटेस्ट करो. 2026 मैन, एंड वी आर स्टिल फकिंग प्रोटेस्टिंग, पुटिंग आवरसेल्व्स थ्रू हार्म बिकॉज ये तो हमको दिखावा करना है. एवरीथिंग इज अ दिखावा. प्रोटेस्ट ने क्या उखाड़ लिया? ना यूएस में कुछ उखड़ा है, ना इंडिया में कुछ उखड़ेगा. कहीं नहीं उखड़ता. वो पहले जमाने की बातें होती थी. वो तुमको दे देते थे चिल्लड़, ले लो बच्चों, अच्छा अच्छा प्रोटेस्ट, और ले ले, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो कोई. अब तुम्हारी जान की कोई कदर नहीं है. पेंचो रेपिस्ट, मोलेस्टर, स्पीडोफाइल तुम्हारे यहाँ पे हमारे ये पॉलिटिक्स में घूमे फिरे हैं. ये लोग बच्चा खा रहे हैं. ये इनके प्रोटेस्ट ये फिक्स नहीं कर पाए तुम्हारे को एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर का रेजिग्नेशन मिलेगा. होली कोली मोली, रेपिस्ट हायर हो रहे हैं, तुमको रेजिग्नेशन एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर का मिलेगा. नीट स्कैम, पेपर लीक स्कैम, तुम स्कैम, तुम्हारी पूरी दुनिया जहान स्कैम, पढ़ाई इज ऑल्सो अ स्कैम जिसके पीछे तुम मरे जा रहे हो अभी भी। दे डोंट फकिंग गिव अ शिट। बुक्स उठा के देख लो, कुछ काम नहीं आता है, नथिंग। AI is going to make you all useless, like you have earned it. तो मेरे तो अंदर खत्म हो गया। मैं आई एम द ओनली काइंडनेस आई हैव इज फॉर मी, the only respect I have is for me. If you're gonna come in my space and be disrespectful, you are going to meet whatever version on your own responsibility. Okay? If you're going to be respectful, I will be respectful. So the minute you stop disrespecting, the minute you show your true cruelty, this girl is not going to stay quiet anymore. No, no, no. I will give you back, and how, and you have no idea. When an empath जो सब कुछ सेंस कर लेता है ना, तुम्हारी एनर्जीज, तुम्हारा सब कुछ, तुम्हारे अंदर क्या इनसिक्योरिटीज, जब